Hello everyone, in this video we will see about least recently used page replacement algorithm. So it is similar like optimal page replacement algorithm. Okay, in optimal page replacement algorithm we are looking for the future page, and here we will look at the backward, that is past. Okay, the page which has not been used for the longest time in main memory, the page which has not been used for the longest time in main memory, that is looking backwards past, means we are looking at backward past, the page will be selected for replacement. Means we are selecting the page which is not used for longest time in past, we are selecting for replacement. Okay, so you'll understand better by this example. See, I've taken this reference string, and first I'll consider 3 frame, and then I'll consider 4 frames. Okay, so now see, reference string is given here. See, frame considering 3. Okay, see the first three memory is the first three frame, that is 1 2 3, so empty. So the first page will come, that is 7 came. Then what is the next page? Next page is 0. If 0 will be inserted and 1 will be inserted, because the first 3 frames is empty. Okay, we have inserted 3 page 7 0 1. Now what is the next page? Next page is coming 2. See, next page is coming 2. Now which page should be replaced? See, 0 and 1 is recently used. 0 and 1 is recently used. So the 7 which has not been used for the longest period of time should be replaced. Okay, now 2 will come in 7 and 0 and 1. Okay, so why is 7 is replaced? I am repeating, because 0 and 1 is recently used and 7 is not used for the longest period of time. That's why 7 is replaced in and 2 is inserted in place of 7. Okay, now the next is 0. See, 0 is already there in the page. 0 is already there. So we'll move to the next page, that is 3. See, moving to the next page, that is 3. Now see, which page should be replaced? 0 and 2 is already there. 0 and 2 is already there. So we'll write 2, 0 and 1 should be replaced 3. Okay, the next page is 0. 0 is already there. So we'll move to the next, that is 4. We'll move to the next, that is 4. See, 4, which page should be replaced? 0 and 3 is recently used. 0 and 3 is recently used. So I'll write here 0, 3, and means 2 will be replaced 4. So what is the next page? The next page is 2. So the next page is 2. Now which page should be replaced? 4 and 0 is already there. 4 and 0 is already there. So I'll write here 4 and 0. Then 3 will be replaced. That is, I'll write here 2. Now the next page is 3. Now which page should be replaced? 4 and 2 is already there. So 4, 2 is already there. Means 0 will be replaced. The next is 0. Now see, 0, 2 and 3 is already there. 2 and 3 is already there. Means 4 will be replaced. 4 will be replaced with 0. Okay. The next page is 3, it's already there. The next page is 2, it's also already there. Then 1. See, 1, see, considering 1, so which page should be replaced? 3 and 2 is already there, so I'll write here 3, 2, means 0 will be replaced with 1. Okay. Next page is 2 is already there. Next page is 0. See, 0. Now which page should be replaced? 2 and 1. 2 and 1 is already there. So 1 and 2 I have written here. And 3 will be replaced with 0. 3 will be replaced with 0. Now 1. See, 1 is already there. Now 7 is coming. 7. 7. See, 7. 1 and 0 is already there. 1 and 0 is already there. And yeah, 2 will be replaced with 7. Okay. The next page is 0. It's already there. 1 is already there. So how many? So now the reference string is complete. So now we'll count how many page fault we have occurred. See, the first is the how many page fault we have occurred. See, first we have inserted 3 pages, so 3 page fault. Then we have inserted 1 page here, so 1 here, 1 total 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 total 12 page fault here. 12 page fault. Okay, 12 page fault here. Okay. Now see, now I'm considering 4 frame. Now I'm considering 4 frame. So I have taken the reference string again. See, now the first page is inside is 7 0 1 2. The next page is, see, 0 is already there. So the next page coming is 3. Now which page should be replaced? 0 1 2 is already there. So 7 will be replaced with 3. The next page is coming 0 0 is already there. So now the next page is coming is 4. So 4 is, see, I am considering here 4 frame. Okay, now 4. Now which page should be replaced? See, 1 should be replaced, because 0 3 and 2 is already there, and it means it is recently used, and 1 is not recently used, so 1 should be replaced with 4. 2 and 3 is already there, 0 is also there in the frame, in the main memory, and then the next 3 is also there, then 2 is also there. Now the next page is 1. So 1 should be replaced with which page? 4, because 3, 2, see 3, 2 and 0 is recently used, 3, 2, 0 is recently used. So 4 is not recently used, so it should be replaced with 1 should replace with 4. Okay. See now, see 2 is already there, 0 is already there, 1 is already there, 7. 7 should be replaced with which page? 1, 0, 2 is recently used, 1, 0, 3 is not recently used, so it should be replaced with 7. Okay. So you should replace this 7. Okay. Now how many page faults? Here 4, as we have inserted 4 new pages, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here 8 page fault. Okay. So when you consider 3 frames, so we have 12 page fault. We have 12 page fault. Then when you consider 4 frames, we have 8 page fault. Okay. So this is the difference between 3 and 4 frames. Okay. So thanks for watching. Thank you.